Ravi Somani's journey did not begin with products. It began with a question. Why should everyday food demand compromise? On health, clarity, or trust? His understanding of business was shaped early through a family legacy in timber and plywood, where quality, material, and reliability mattered deeply. Over the decades, that foundation expanded across industries, from exports to high-security vehicle systems, from long-term engagement in healthcare to sustained social work with differently abled children. With over 5 decades of experience across diverse domains, he learned one enduring truth. Principles matter more than industries. Across every venture, one pattern stayed constant. Shortcuts always cost more in the long run. From his early entrepreneurial years, he believed innovation wasn't about adding more, but about removing what didn't belong. While markets chased speed and scale, he chose intention, cleaner formulations, smarter science, and food designed to support the body, not burden it. This thinking shaped a new approach to modern snacking: strong without excess, sweet without refined sugar, balanced without unnecessary fats or sodium. Plant-based proteins, gluten-free choices, and natural alternatives like monk fruit extract were not trends. They were responsibility. Because real innovation is quiet, it is disciplined, and it is built to last. Even today, his focus remains unchanged: to build with integrity and create food that respects health, choice, and the future it serves.